How to install PHP on Android using Termux. PHP is a popular open-source server-side scripting language used mainly for web development. You can install and run PHP on an Android device using the Termux app. Requirements: Android 1.5 plus Internet connection. Steps: Install Termux from the Play Store or F-Droid. Open it and type apt update, apt upgrade. Confirm with Y if asked. Clear screen with clear. Install PHP. apt install PHP. Confirm with Y. Install Nano editor. apt install Nano. Clear. Create and edit a PHP file. Nano hello.php. Write. Save with Ctrl+O. Exit with Ctrl+X. Run the file. php hello.php. You've now installed and tested PHP on Android.